Hello, now Vanaja is going to explain about. Say, I have taught a population education. One paper, fourth paper in optional. Because it is related to nowadays coronavirus is there and so many problems are there. So I want to take some about this topic little. So population education. Education. Population mean peoples. Peoples. Inside the peoples, peoples, peoples are the students are coming, pupils. Okay, population means number of peoples are living in particular area, it shows. Education means to educare, educare, educare. Educare means a Greek word to educate the people, to give education to the people, learning, teaching and learning. I am teaching, you are learning. So this is a teaching learning process. Education is nothing but it includes the teaching and learning process. Now I am teaching, you are learning. So it is a teaching and learning process. Okay. So educare is a Greek word, Latin moli, Greek word. Educare, to educate. Educate means by teaching and learning. I am teaching, you are learning. That is teaching and learning process. Okay. So, when in India or in whenever consider the world, first the family is important. Okay, say so family is important. Family mean one family, husband, wife, and at least have two children, minimum one children. The Indian family should be at least two children. Okay, they have given the name, they framed the name that Indian family should be at least two children. It's a small family norm. Whenever you have a husband, wife and two children minimum, okay, so all the families will mingle with each other and will frame the one community. All the communities are considered and join in society, and more society will form a village. Minimum 50 houses are necessary to frame a village. Nearly 5 villages should be there to frame a taluk, etc., etc. Then all the talukas will come under one district. Then all the district will come under the state. This is the process. Okay. So like this we will calculate the population growth also. How many people are living with census report. You should know about the village. Those who are working a teacher, they used to come to take a census report. So they will first calculate number of people in a family. By using that, they will calculate all families, a community. Then, because in village mostly in city side, we are not considered the community, but mostly in village, particular community people are living in one village, like in Adar village. This is belongs to a Brahmin village. This is a Lamar village. This is so and so, etc., etc. So that is community. So more community is living all. Community we have to group together, put it in society, and all society minimum five taluk. They have to 50 village should be necessary to frame a taluk, and 5 taluk, and all should be necessary district, and all the districts are yield to our country, all state. In India, nearly 30 states are there. Asoka Chakra it is in like. Okay, so this is the population education. We have to give education is very very important. Now I have studied. I got education. That's why I am teaching. It will be useful. The ladies' education is very very important. And our Gandhiji told that our Mahatma at least up to 5th standard we should give education in mother tongue only. And in order to educate one family, it is better you have to educate a lady. Okay, any lady, one lady if you educate mean entire family will be educated. See, I used to that whenever I have gone to native job, I have written everything. Daily 2 o'clock I used to sleep at 2 o'clock. I used to write my children, they have gone to school, then I have taken my children to tuition. I used to study, I have prepared my lecturing daily. I have written everything. They have come from Delhi. Daily I have gone through my 2 children notebook. I have written up to 2 o'clock, I have written like a question and questionnaire I have prepared. And each and everything I have written, I have practiced up to 100 marks, 95 less they didn't get because of me. And the husband doesn't care about, they didn't care about their character is like that. So it is better, it have to give a lady me entire family would be educated. Okay. So like this, so women's education is very very important. Our Mahatma told that up to 5th standard we have to give importance to education, their mother tongue with understanding. I say without referring anything I can teach. How can I teach with understanding? I know I understood everything in my mother tongue. I have translated in English, Hindi, Marathi and other. So understanding should be there. You have to know and understanding everything should be there. Okay. So first UNESCO Bangkok. UNESCO, one organization is there, United National UNESCO Social and Cultural Organization. At UNESCO Bangkok, okay, they had frame one council they had made. That United National Counseling, Social and Counseling. S means social, C means cultural and social and cultural organization. They had made that committee and cultural organization. They had discussed about the population growth, that slowly the population was increased, and before 1947 they didn't calculate the population growth because it was in the Britishers rule. And you know that for Britishers how the story has formed. Britishers came to India for business only. Okay, then they have seen that all the properties we have get it in India, so they want to rule that Indians, and all the leaders they got angry and they were against the British and they were kicked from our India. Like this story we know that. So real story, it is not a story, real event. We have to tell about a real event. Real event means really it happens. Real story means something 50% real, 50 we had added. Story means entirely our imagination. So 3 types of cases are there. One is a story means entirely it is made up of a director, like as I am a director. And whenever we consider this the real story means it is real, but something is added or something. So we have to tell a real event. Really it happened, real experience, real event that we have to tell about. So before 1947 we didn't get an independent. So our India was not in our hands, so there was no census and everything. That time there was no books and papers and this computer, so much. Nowadays only. So at that time, scientific appliances was very less. Scientific advance was very less. We don't have any paper also, at least mobile and that audio visual aids, AV aids, we don't have anything. Paper or pen or anything they didn't produce that time. So 1947 it was in the Britishers rule. So we don't know about that, what are the population growth in that time. Slowly after 1947, you know that we got freedom, independent. Because of British, they have come to India and on seeing the Indian all tools and everything, they wanted to give the attention to Indians. Even they have come to from foreign, they want to give harassment to Indian. Like, so our leaders, they think that these people have come from foreign London and they wanted to give harassment like aggressive type. They want to make our Indian people submissive and they were aggressive. So they got angry. And all the states, 28 states, all the leaders, like we have to salute, like in Tamil Nadu, our great Bharatiyar, Tirupur Kumaran, and Kappalutti Tamilan, Vausi, okay, Chidambaranar, Kaitar Veerapandiya Kattappam, they have hanged it, British stupid. So these are there in Tamil Nadu, and whenever you get Bhagati Singh, whenever you see the Subhash Chandra Bose, we have to salute in a navy, in that northern part. Okay. So Gujarat, our grandfather Gandhiji, Nehru uncle. So many things. So that time they got angry and they have fought with Vanjinathan in Tamil Nadu, and okay, here Sidambaranar. and Gopala Krishna Gokhale. Okay, Gopala Krishna Gokhale and Gandhiji. It is a small, very big leaders. See, they got grouped and they got angry and they had started to against the Britishers rule. And 1947, we got freedom. Just Britishers told that okay, you are given your country to you, only your country to you, like they are given. And 1950 only Constitution was made, and they have written in document that is called as an republic. Do you understand now? Just nowadays, suppose I have book a flat or book a land, and I have book 8 land. I had only done every document Tamil. My husband doesn't know Tamil more, so 8 land I had only bought. I had gone to a register office. I have done everything. Because I know Tamil, I have studied from Tamil, high level Tamil. They don't know. Little Tamil only they know, but it is not suitable to write a document. I had made 8 documents. I have gone to that register office. I had made. Okay, it's my name. Okay. So like this only. Suppose we are giving the orally telling. Like this, British told in 1947. Just British told, just you take your country. I don't know. We don't want. They have gone to their London, British country, London. They have gone. Okay. And 1950 only the Constitution made. Like we are given advance for the flat. Then after that only the document should be made. Document should be made. That is called the document should be made. That is called a Constitution. Constitution of India made at 1950. Like a rules and regulation, like a document, and like a document like this. India is for US or about the area, and very detailed must be written and with sign with the Mahatma Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri. So many of them are there. Our old president, I forgot the old president Prakash, something, so they have done the Constitution. They have written that is Constitution they had made. That must be in 1947, 1950 Constitution. But then after that only they have started to take a census. So 47 to 50 they had taken that census like a 10 years. That is called a decades. DECADES. After that I will write and explain main point. Whenever same thing I will explain in secondary school. When I heard you say teaching it, I heard you use important point, then same point topic. If it is in the book in secondary also, so how can the teacher use it? Teacher cannot use a lecture method like this without using a teaching aid or anything. Now YouTube, mostly they have used a picture, particular incident, and that like this we have to teach. Okay. So I will explain the same concept whenever I am going to explain in the secondary school student. How can you take some? I will prepare for some written work. At the same time, I will use some of the Google search. Okay. So, 1950, after getting our Constitution, they have written everything. Then they have 10 years gap. They started the decades. That time, the population was 44 crores. Then it is 68, then 86, then 102 crores. Nowadays nearby 150 crores. Because 1 second 4 to 5 babies are born. This. But we have to feed it to all 3 months. We will get a 1 year chili and 6 months. It takes a paddy. So that is the problem of giving the food, clothes, shelter, and this is very important for the basic things for all human beings. All the human beings, the basic thing is food, clothes, the shelter, water, air. These are things are very important. Then security, safety, standard of living. I will explain about what I mean by standard of living. Then one word we can tell about a standard of living. Standard of living, it includes everything. Standard of living in food, clothes, water, shelter, education, safety, security, everything it includes in the standard of living. That's only we are telling it. Developed countries, most of developed countries are in the standard of living. Even the Bikana, Korana, where it goes very low. The China people only, jealous China people only have done these things. You know that. Okay, so standard of living. They say, then the first is it is 44 crores, first 10 decades. Then 68 crores, then opposite 86 crores. Then 86, then after that 102 crores, then 100 and etc. etc. Now it is at 100 and nearly 168 even. Okay, so like this the population is growing. In 1 second 4 to 5 babies are born. It's the population. That is only government after that have told that Indian family should be have small family norm. Should have 2 children only, like that they got from a small family. Big family mean Indian family, if you have more than 2 children, then have a big family. 3 children, 4 children in their family. They are having 3 children, 4 children, called a big family. Like this they got framed the norm. Okay. This is the population. These are the things are related to the population growth. In the population education, first we are considered this a population growth. Okay, do you understand this? This comes for 5 marks. Can you able to write? Okay, what is the meaning of population? Define population growth or define population education. So education is a must. We have to give a teaching and learning in the process of education. With the help of education only we can get it everything: knowledge, understanding, application, skill, interest, attitude, aptitude, applications and everything. Without education we cannot know anything. Without education we cannot understand anything. Without education we cannot have a good attitude also. Without education we cannot having aptitude test. Without having we shouldn't have a appreciation also. Without education we don't have aesthetic value. Without education we don't have interest. Without education we don't have a attitude, aptitude, interest. We shouldn't develop a skill also. These are the things are called objectives, aim. Education has a aim. Under that general objective, specific objective, I will explain in detail. So under aim is very very important. That is the overall personality. The aim of education to develop the overall personality of each and every individual, each and every student. Okay. Or we have to develop all the values of the individual, all the development of the individual, all the values of the individual, all the importance of the individual, all the significance of the individual, all the need of the individual to fulfill, all the merits of the individual to fulfill. These are the things are called as a personality. This overall development of all the world's values, overall development of all the growth, overall values of overall the group of significance, overall values of importance, overall value of merit. These are the things are called as the personality of the individual. So to develop overall personality of our education in population, to educate all the students. It is not only a school going student, but to educate all the people, those who are not going to school, out of school youth also. By seeing the TV they will learn. Sitting at home they will learn. So that is the population. No need to study also, those who are not studying. I already told in my video what is my literate, illiterate. Literate means those who can able to read and write at least in their mother tongue are called as a literate people. Those who cannot able to read and write at least their mother tongue are called as an illiterate. So to eradicate means to kick out, to delete the illiteracy among the people, that is the education. Among the people mean whether that people or these people, PUPIL and PUOPLES. All students as well as common peoples, they are called as a education in population, that is population education. Do you understand now? Have all understood? Can you write it for 5 marks also? If you have to write in brief, 2.5 pages you write. Same question if it may come on for 12 marks or 15 marks, I know that, just to go through it. If it is come for 15 marks, you have to write 7.5 pages. If it is 12 marks means 6. like this, etc., etc. Half, according to the mark, you have to take a half of the pages you have to write. First you write an introduction, then content, then conclusion. Like the three part of the body of this lecture, body of the essay should be consist of the introduction part, the content part, and the conclusion part. So it is better you have to divide it into three aspects. 5 marks you have to write in little brief, and that same thing you have to compare. 12 means 6 pages, 15 means you have to 700 pages, like this. 2 means 1 pages you have to write. Can you able to write? Okay. Bye. Now I have defined population education. I have defined density of population, 3 types. Then I am going to explain in Tamil and English and Hindi. Okay, bye. See you. Good. All of them you have to take your notebook, note down all the. Bye. I have to see you.